English speaking practice. Topic: Shopping and market conversation. Part 1. Starting conversation. Hello everyone. Today we will practice English speaking. Our topic is shopping and market conversation. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat each sentence loudly. Let's begin. Part 2. Going to the market. Today I am going to the market. I need to buy some vegetables and fruits. The market is very crowded. Many people are shopping there. Some people are buying clothes. Some are buying groceries. I like visiting the market. It is fun and interesting. Part 3. Buying vegetables. Shopkeeper: Hello madam, what do you want? Customer: I want some potatoes and tomatoes. Shopkeeper: How many kilos do you need? Customer: 1 kilo potatoes and half kilo tomatoes. Shopkeeper: Anything else? Customer: Yes, give me some onions too. Shopkeeper: Okay, fresh onions are available today. Customer: Great, please pack them. Part 4. Asking price. Customer: How much is this mango? Shopkeeper: It is 80 rupees per kilo. Customer: That is expensive. Shopkeeper: These mangoes are very sweet and fresh. Customer: Okay, give me 1 kilo. Shopkeeper: Here you are. Customer: Thank you. Shopkeeper: Welcome, visit again. Part 5. English practice sentences. I like fresh vegetables. This shop is very good. The prices are reasonable. I always check quality before buying. Sometimes I bargain with shopkeepers. I enjoy shopping with my family. My mother makes a shopping list. We buy useful things only. Part 6. Confidence practice. I can speak English easily. I am learning new sentences daily. I am becoming more confident. I practice without fear. Speaking English is becoming easy for me. I enjoy learning English. I will speak fluently one day. Part 7. Closing. This was today's English speaking practice. Practice these sentences again and again. Speak loudly for better confidence. Thank you for joining. See you in the next practice session.